Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to yet another how-to video. If I have any new classmates, I'm your teacher, Calitrickzz. We're going to be learning how to cough those nice thick O's. Welcome to the Class of Trickzz. I call this an intermediate class only because if you've been following along with my how-to videos, you should already know how to cough O's and how to push O's. Now we learned the secret how to get those milky, thick O's. Last week I was on my Insta story explaining how I just figured out how to get those nice, tired, milky O's consistently. It's been a secret for a long time, and I was so happy that I had just figured it out, and now I get to share it with you guys. And the secret is how you breathe. Yes. Let's break it down. Now, without using your box mods or your mech mods, I want you to set those down to the side, and we're going to do some breathing exercises, okay? Alright, so we're going to take a nice deep breath and then exhale. Alright? So. Okay? And that is how you get your thick O's. Now, if you pay attention to these big guys or these super skinny guys and how they get these nice milky O's, if you pay attention, you'll see, and if you listen, you can hear how they quickly inhale. But that inhale is super deep. They take it in super deep, and then they exhale a lot of that vapor. And then when they go for that O, they have enough pressure to generate a nice thick O. In this next clip, I'll demonstrate how it should sound and how it should look to get those nice thick O's. All it is technique. You take that nice deep inhale, nice exhale, get ready to produce that nice thick O. The only downside is that if you're recording, you'll vape the room out really fast. That's the only thing. If you follow those steps, you'll be able to produce those milky O's. It's all about your initial inhale and that exhale that will give you those thick O's. I hope this little secret helped. It did for me, and now I'm able to get these O's consistently. Stay tuned for class next week. We're going to be learning how to do doubles. Make sure you get to class early. Class dismissed.